In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing harmony with vocal drills. So let's sing something. La la la. Singing out of pitch or not even knowing if you're singing in pitch can be really frustrating. And I found that a lot of the training that vocal teachers teach to their students is just repetition, and it seems to be kind of outdated. So what I'm going to go through are 3 different warm-ups that I teach to all of my students that want to start to train their ear fast. Now, as we go through this, just so you know, down below in the description are timestamps. So after you're done watching the entire video and you want to come back and practice, you're welcome to go to those timestamps, click on it, and that will put you right to the next warm-up without me blabbing away. Warm-up number 1, 5-tone scale. Now, with a 5-tone scale, we're going to actually do this in numbers. I know a lot of you have done solfege, which is the do, re, mi, but in this case, we're going to use numbers because it's going to come in handy in the next warm-ups to have to deal with training the ear. So as we go through the numbers, the first thing I want you to do is say the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I really put an accent on the 4 because a lot of times as we're singing our numbers, it's the 4 that we mess up on. As you go through these numbers, I want you to think of the notes moving through in those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really visualize this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thinking of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Warm up number 2, singing in intervals. So we've already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to jump into the intervals. These are actual harmony intervals. So these are going to help you with your harmony. They're going to help you with ear training. They're going to help you with your pitch. There's so many different aspects to these that are really awesome. So we're going to say the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But now we're going to jump to 3 and 5. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Again, thinking of where it is. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. So let's then add that to notes. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And we're just jumping through those notes, thinking of where they are. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, the starting note. This is where the fun begins. So we've gone over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5. Now starts the ear training. Now we get to check up and see how well did your brain and your muscles memorize these numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to play 1, and then you're going to sing up to 5, and then sing back down. So it'll sound like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we'll go on to the next one. It's training your ear and saying, how close are you? And see if you end up back at 1 at the correct spot. So I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and then I'm going to drop out. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Yeah. Warm up number 4 is harder intervals. So we're going to do the intervals 1, 3, and 5. We've already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're just going to do the 1, 3, and 5, but we're going to do it with our ears. So it's going to be the same idea as what we just did. It's going to sound like this. 1, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And then we go to the next one. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. To see how well your brain memorized that interval. So, let's give it a shot. I'll do the first 2 with you. 1, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. 1, 1, 1. playlist of all of my ear training videos. Click here because it's awesome and you should. And click down here to join my Facebook group because it's also awesome. And I'll see you in the next song. La la la.